Alright, let's talk about software, specifically your software. In today's competitive market, a single buggy update can be absolutely brutal. It's not just about a few crashes here and there, it's about trust, right? You pour your heart and soul into your app, but one little glitch and bam! Users are frustrated, reviews tank, and you're left wondering what went wrong. Think about it. How many times have you uninstalled an app because it was laggy, crashed constantly, or just didn't work the way it should? We've all been there. It's incredibly frustrating, and it can completely destroy your faith in a product and the company behind it. The good news is, it doesn't have to be this way, and that's what we're diving into today. The top 5 secrets to making sure your software is as smooth, polished, and reliable as humanly possible. One of the biggest mistakes I see developers making is underestimating the importance of thorough software testing. This isn't just a quick once-over before launch, guys. We're talking about rigorously testing every nook and cranny of your app to make sure it's as polished and bug-free as possible. It's like building a house. You wouldn't just slap on the roof and call it a day, right? You'd make sure the foundation is solid, the walls are straight, and everything is up to code. Software testing is the same idea. You need to be meticulous and make sure every single component works flawlessly, both on its own and as part of the whole system. Okay, so your app doesn't crash every 5 seconds, that's a good start. But is it actually enjoyable to use? This is where usability and functionality testing come in. Remember, it doesn't matter how technically impressive your app is if users find it clunky, confusing, or just plain frustrating. You need to put yourself in the shoes of your users. Is the navigation intuitive? Are the features easy to find and use? Does the app flow smoothly from one task to the next? These are the questions you need to be asking yourself throughout the development process. We live in a world of instant gratification. People expect things to load quickly and run smoothly, and your app is no exception. Even a delay of a couple of seconds can be the difference between a user sticking around and bouncing right out of your app. Performance testing helps you identify and eliminate bottlenecks, optimize your code, and ensure your app runs at lightning speed, regardless of the device or network conditions. Trust me, in the world of apps, speed is king. Listen, every time a user encounters a bug, it chips away at their trust in your product. On the other hand, when your app just works consistently and reliably, it builds confidence in your brand. It tells your users that you care about their experience and that you're committed to delivering a high-quality product. This trust is absolutely invaluable, especially in today's crowded market. A seamless, bug-free experience shows that you take pride in your work and that you value your users' time and effort. Let's face it, acquiring new users is tough, and it's getting tougher all the time. That's why it's more important than ever to focus on retaining the users you already have. By investing in software testing, you're not just fixing bugs, you're investing in customer loyalty. When users have a positive experience with your app, they're more likely to stick around, tell their friends about it, and even become advocates for your brand. It's all about building those long-term relationships that will keep your app thriving for years to come. So there you have it, folks. 5 key reasons why software testing is an absolute game changer for any app developer. It's about delivering a polished product, prioritizing usability, optimizing performance, building trust, and ultimately, fostering those long-term customer relationships that are so crucial in today's market. Remember, bugs are like gremlins in your code. They can wreak havoc if you let them. But with the right approach to testing, you can keep those gremlins at bay and ensure your app is the best it can be. If you're serious about taking your app to the next level, don't even think about skimping on testing. Invest in professional software testing services and watch your app soar to new heights.